Hello everyone, this is Enbon LED display. Today we are excited to introduce our 3.5 meter diameter LED spherical display with a pixel pitch of P2.5. The entire sphere is precisely assembled from 80 cabinets. Through accurate structure design and curvature control, it achieves a seamless 360 degrees full-field display with no bright spots. No matter the viewing angle, the visuals remain smooth, consistent in color, and immersive, truly wrapping the audience in the world of light and motion. Such spherical displays demand extremely high precision in both assembly accuracy and structural stability, and very detailed reflects Enbon's advanced manufacturing capabilities. From modules and structure to heat dissipation and control systems, Enbon has implemented targeted optimizations to ensure stable operations and exceptional visual performance. In addition to this 3.5 meter model, Enbon also has intensive customization experience. We have created spherical LED displays of various sizes and pixel pitches, both indoor and outdoor, for clients in multiple countries and regions. These displays are widely used in exhibition atriums, stage installations, and immersive art and technology spaces. If you are looking for an LED spherical display that breaks the limit of flat design and delivers panoramic creativity with immersive visual, feel free to contact Enbon. We'll provide you the most professional and tailored solution.